Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student based on chapter 15. The name of the chapter is The Need for Water. Dear students, take your textbook in your hand. Open page number 95, the chapter 15, and follow the class with your textbook. So dear students, let's start the class. The name of the chapter is The Need for Water, and we will learn from this chapter the sources of water, the need for water, saving water, how we can store water. First we will learn the sources of water. Water is important for us. All living things need water to live. Let us see the different sources from where we get water. We get water from rains. See, here is the cloud and rain is come out from the cloud. Now we will read the next source of water. See, this is the picture of a river. We get water from rivers. We get water from lakes. This is the picture of a lake. See, this is a small pond. We get water from ponds. Now, why do we need water? Here in your book there is a printing mistake. Here is written air. Dear students, it will be water. We need water for various things. Water is needed for drinking. Look, that boy is drinking water. Washing, that woman is washing her clothes. Cleaning, look, they both clean the dishes and the basins also, sinks also. For bathing, this boy is bathing with the water. Cooking, like your mother, this woman also cook with the help of water. And for watering plants also, because plants also need water to live. Now we will discuss about saving water. Water should never be wasted. We should always save water. We should never leave the tap water running when brushing, washing hands or face. That means when we wash our hands or face, we will never leave the tap water running. It is one kind of wastage of water. We should always use water wisely while bathing. Do not waste water in playing water games. Look at the pictures below. Say how you can save water. Look, this is a girl. She is washing some dishes. When she will apply the soap on the dishes or dishwashing bar, that time she have to close the tap. Now this girl also using the washing machine to wash the clothes. She will apply that much water which one she needs, only that one, not more than that. That girl is watering the plants and she is using a small pot for giving the water in the plant. And this boy is playing with guns, water guns, that is wasting of water. No need to play with water gun. And this boy is using washroom, and don't leave the tap or don't use the flash unnecessarily. That's why they are showing this picture. And this boy is brushing his teeth and he opened the tap. He need to close the tap because when he is brushing, no need of water, and this is wasting of water. Now we will discuss how can we store and save water. Water is important for us, so we should not waste them. Water can be stored in many ways. It can be stored in pots, buckets, bottles and tanks at home. See, this is pot. These are used to store water at home. This is bucket. You are known with this. Everybody have this type of bucket in their washroom, and this also used for storing water at home. This one is bottles. That one also used for storing water at home. And this one is tank, and this also used to storing water at home. Dams are also used to store large amount of water. Look, this is the picture of dam. Now we will go to our next page. First one, you have to know that we get fresh sweet water from river, lakes and wells. We cannot drink seawater because it is salty. That means seawater is salty. Now, points to remember. We get water from rains, rivers, lakes and ponds. We need water for drinking, washing, cleaning, cooking, bathing and watering plants. Plants and animals need water too. Saving water is important. Now we will solve some objective type question. First question is MCQ, that means tick the correct answer. First question is we should waste, play, save water. That will be save water. Next one is at home we store water in dams, tanks, pools. At home we store water in tanks. Just before we have discussed about it. We get water from taps, wells, rains. In the picture we have read this. Rain is the source of water. Now last one is one of the use of water is cooking, storing, wasting. That one will be cooking, because when we read the uses of water, that time we see that at our home, our mother or anybody else when cooked, they need water. Now we will solve the true and false. Now we will read the first statement. We get sweet water from rivers. Dear student, this statement is true. So we will write here T. Next one, sea water is salty. This one also true, because just now we have discussed about this. We can't drink sea water because it is salty. Now third one, saving water is not important. Dear students, it is wrong statement, because saving water is so much important for us. That's why here will be F, because it is false statement. Now last one, we should leave the tap water running. Dear students, it is also wrong statement, because we should not leave the tap water running, because it is one kind of wasting of water. That's why we will write here F, because of false statement. First one, we get sweet water from river. It is true. Sea water is salty. It is also true. Saving water is not important. It is false. And last one, we should leave the tap water running. It is also false. Dear students, here I gave some homework for you. This is homework number 10, and you have to do true and false as your homework. That means this true or false is your homework. You have to do only 4 true or false as your homework, and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn the question answer, obey your parents, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.